Baldwin Opportunity School is a pioneer in the field of special education in India for persons with intellectual and development disabilities.
It was started in the year 1964 by an American missionary, Mrs. Anna May Tillard, as an extension of the Baldwin Girls High School, and is going to be 60 years. It is one of the schools in the Methodist Church in India and is a unit of the Baldwin Methodist Educational Society.
As the students perform to Ami Aro Tui Full, we acknowledge God's work in all that we do. The Bengali song means, "You have created this beautiful world and filled it with life. May I be the flower that is offered to you and sing your praise to the whole world."
Now get ready to witness the magic of movement, the poetry of precision, and the power of passion. We proudly present to you the students of Baldwin Opportunity School.
Graceful performance by Baldwin Opportunity School.
We call upon the music teacher of Baldwin Opportunity School, Mrs. Celine Satyaraj, and the entire team to please come up on stage.
I now call upon Ms. Helen Gayatri to please honor the team.